Okay, this is the simulation session of GBP JPY. I'm gonna be doing the back testing. So before we start, I need to pick some random dates. Let's open the new tab, random date generator. 2022 month will be 2023. Second, 11th, I need one date, June 5, 2023. Let's do June 5, 2023. 2023 month will be 6 June 5. Okay, was it June 5 or 25? June 5, 2023. Okay, it's on Monday. Perfect. Time on charts will be New York close, spread will be fixed. Initial history on charts is gonna be 1000. Type will be standard, period will be M15. Let's start the simulation. Load the template to okay, moving on to 8 o'clock because that's when I usually start trading from pre-London timing. Right there, looking at the daily. On daily, we are bullish, right? On the 4-hour, there was some sort of a resistance here. Price broke above, made a high, came down, maybe retested this zone, and now it's gonna go up. Yeah, so if this candle has to go up, and the previous candle was weak bearish, so I'm still looking to take a buy, and the daily is bullish. So overall idea is bullish. This candle has to wick down and then go up. I want to see some retracement, support formation, and then I'll look for taking a buys. Right, let's start, and there should be some sort of a retracement and then support formation. That is gonna be much better. Stick to M15. Right there we have a support forming right there. If this candle breaks the high, I'm gonna execute the buy. Let's do 2% risk this time because the 4-hour, the daily is super bullish. The 4-hour is, the structure is clear. We broke the resistance, came down, retested it. Now there's a chance we can go up, right? So buy, stop loss is gonna be right there, and take profit will be right there. Let's visualize where could this 4-hour candle could go. Okay, it can go maybe till that area. It can go further. We'll see. We'll try to close some partial positions if trade works. Let's switch to 15-minute. Okay, we're still good. Price was almost gonna hit the stop loss, but it never did. Now this candle should shoot to the upside because the structure is telling me, that's why I'm very confident in this trade just because of the structure on the 4-hour, right? So we'll wait to see how this candle closes, then maybe I will close some partials if I'm getting some decent gains here or not. It depends. $15-minute candle closed, and it closed with a rejection from the top side. Looking at the 30-minute, it rejected. Okay, if it goes down, then we'll move on to the next day, and there's nothing that I could do. If the range to the left is not clear, it's not clean like this, then these type of things happens. Market rejects, comes down, then go up, again rejects. So that's the problem. I think I should focus more on clean ranges to the left as well. Well, it closed with a rejection. Speed it up more. One minute. Okay, the new 30-minute candle opened and it broke the high of the previous candle. This candle rejected. Okay, stop loss hit. Forward, well, let's see the 4 hour. Okay, it broke the low and continued pushing down. Move on to the next day. Lost 2%, that's fine. We'll try to recover it on Tuesday. And right there, looking at the daily, we closed strong bearish but with a rejection. But like this is the rejection wick. We had a support previously. Let's take a look at 4 hour. The 4 hour candle closed bullish, but we are stuck inside this consolidation. Okay, the thing is, I have to make a story now. This daily candle, the previous daily candle closed strong bearish body, even though there's a rejection, but still I believe we can come down to fill this wick. Looking at the 4 hour, the previous 4 hour closed bullish but with a rejection from the top side. So, and 1 hour rejected from the top. I would say it's going to be a good idea to take a sells in this particular session. There should be some sort of a retracement and then continuation. Even though I'm seeing that resistance formation, but I want to see some fresh resistance. And right there, that's the resistance. If this candle now breaks the low right there, I'm going to execute the sell. Stop loss will be right there. Take profit right there. Accept, and let's see whether this trade idea plays out or not. Speed it up more. Okay, so far it's going good. Will it tap the take profit? No. What? It didn't tap? Like it almost crossed it, but it didn't tap. Okay, so by looking at the 4 hour, yes, my visualization about the 4 hour was correct. Looking at the daily, okay, we're pushing down. The thing is, maybe we can push down till this wick fill, maybe, yeah, around this area right there. Accept. Let's take a look at 4 hour. So 4 hour candle can go down till these wick fills. Okay, I'm gonna do one thing. I'm not going to hold this trade longer because price could reject from this wick area also. So let's just close full right there and forward the candles. Okay, well, we went down further. Okay, moving on to the next day. Made 2% back, like lost 2% and then made 2%. Wednesday, looking at 8 o'clock right there. Looking at the daily, we are going down. Okay, the previous daily candle closed with a strong rejection, but this candle is pushing down. Looking at the 4 hour, yeah, Okay, this was the support. Price broke below, went up, retested. Now I believe we're gonna break this low maybe and then continue pushing down. Or if this candle wakes up and then continues pushing down, that is gonna be the target. Okay, I want to take a sell if this candle wakes up, or like I want to see retracement on the 15-minute chart, and then I will execute the sell. Okay, we have a resistance forming right there. 30-minute, looking at the 4-hour, I would say maybe we can take a sell right there because we have a resistance forming. So why should not we execute? 4-hour candle can push down till this wick fill, yeah, accept, and let's see whether this trade plays out or not. So far it's good. Right there I'm making one by one, so I'm gonna do one thing. I'm gonna close 50%, set stop loss to break even, and let the rest run. If it goes further, that would be good. And right there I think I should close full because price almost reach the take profit, so there's no business of holding the trade. Okay, my idea about the 4-hour was again correct, right? We went down and this is going to be the target, or like maybe price can come to these wick fills. So forward, well, okay, it rejected from this area. So moving on to the next day, moving on to Thursday. Eight o'clock, looking at the daily, we went bullish. Price closed above this resistance, but this candle is rejecting. Maybe it just went down to create a bottom wick. We'll consult the smaller time frame 4-hour. Okay, we closed above, right? This was the previous key level. Price closed, like when I say key level, that means market rejected from this zone, right? Now key levels in different strategies could have different definitions, but for me, when I say key level, that means that was the area from where the market went down. We closed above that. Now we are coming down. Maybe this candle is gonna came down, leave a wick, and then continue moving bullish. So I'm still looking to take a buy, to be honest, right? I'm still looking to take a buy. If I see some retracement support formation, definitely I'm going to execute the buy trade forward. Well, we have some sort of support forming, but to be honest, I was expecting some deep retracement and then support formation. Let's take a look at 4-hour. 4-hour is pushing up. 1-hour, we have a support forming. No, I'm not confident in this trade because here's when the new 4-hour candle started and it just went bullish. Maybe this was the bottom wick, but to be honest, I was expecting some down move and then continuation. So I'm not interested in taking a buy, or if it comes down, create support, then I will take a buy. Okay, see, it should come down till this, from this wick. This is the low point of the 4-hour candle as far as for now. Stop. I didn't notice, but we are now in NY session. First, I want to make sure there's no news. if there's any news of the USD or GBP, okay, there's no news, so that means we can still execute. Looking at the daily, we are bullish. 4 hour is ranging here, but this is the volume time. Maybe now this 4-hour candle is going to shoot up, even though the previous 4-hour candles closed strong bearish. But in the consolidation phase, we can't say that, okay, if the previous candle closed strong bearish, that means this candle is going to go down. We can't say that. We can only say that if this candle has closed below this support, we had clean range, then I would have taken a sells. But at this point, it's just stuck inside the range. So there's nothing that I can do except waiting. Like, okay, I'm not going to execute on this, but we'll just predict it that, okay, I'm going to execute the buy if this trade breaks the high. It's just going to be a paper trade, right? I'm not going to really execute it, but if it breaks the high right there, this is the volume time, price has to go bullish because of the daily structure. So okay, it never broke the high, so there was no entry. And it's ranging. Okay, move on to the next day. Moving on to the next day, okay, we went bullish. Looking at the 4-hour, first let's take a look at daily. Okay, daily is bullish. Okay, perfect. 4-hour is bullish. The previous candle closed strong body candle. We rejected this. This was the zone previously, so maybe price is going to come down, retest it, then go up. But there's no confirmation for the market to go down. Otherwise, like if I wanted to take a sell at this point just because it has to retest that previous zone, this should have been some bearish candle. But at this point, it's just bullish. So I'm looking to take a buy. If I see some retracement support formation, then maybe I will look for executing the buy trade. Let's start and see whether stop right there. It's too fast. I want to make sure there's no news. Okay, we have a news at 9. Okay, it's on Monday, so I think I can execute the buy, even though I was expecting that price should go down, leave a wick, and then go up. Looking at the 4-hour, okay, I think I can execute the buy. I will risk 1% because the 4-hour hasn't really went down to create that deep bottom wick, right? So let's take a buy right there. Stop loss is gonna be right there, and take profit will be at 1 buy or whatever. Let's start and let's see whether my idea about this trade plays out or not. Okay, so far it's going good. Okay, right there I'm making 1%. Let's see where could this daily candle go. Then by trusting that, okay, I cannot see much to the left. Let's take a look at 4-hour if I can. That is going to be much better, but I think I can't. Okay, I have no idea where is the next key level because I cannot see much to the left hand side. So I think that's the decent gain that I'm getting at this point. Let's just close 90% right there, and stop loss is gonna be at break even. Let the rest run. If it works, perfect. If not, then at least we have secured profits from this trade. Speed it up now. And we are rejecting forward. Okay, wow, we tapped the take profit. Okay, so this was the simulation session. Let's see statistics. Closed statistics. Took 3 trades. No, where is Okay, number of closed trades, I took 6 trades, 5 were winners, 1 was loss. Okay, and these are the statistics. Let's see the graph. Closed trades, history, like you can see everything in this. Okay, so that was all, and I hope you guys learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day to you.